how to enter referral code on Cash App. So if you have received a referral code from someone on Cash App and then you decide that you would like to go ahead and then basically redeem that referral code so that both of you can get some amount of benefit that Cash App offers, well, for this all you have to do is just launch the Cash App on your device and then tap on the profile icon, which you can see located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you're there, scroll down a bit to the bottom and just above this sign out button you'll find the option that says enter referral code. All you have to do here is just tap on the enter referral code option, then simply make sure to paste the referral code that you have. Then after you've went ahead and then pasted the referral code right here, you want to go ahead and then tap on the enter button, and depending upon the benefits you'll be able to get them into your Cash App account. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter referral code on Cash App. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.